So the process of removing the bubbles from a magnetic compass is the first thing you need to do. You need to help someone to help you. After that, tilt the ball until the filter comes uppermost. Unscrew the nut of the bolt, and then you have to bring or move the bubble in the center of the hole. And then someone has to hold and someone has to eject. Screw the bolt with the nut back into place and gently let the ball return to upright. For me, the most crucial part when removing the bubbles is that when opening the bolt, the air will go inside and the air helps the bubble to increase their size. So that means if we can't control it, more bubbles will be formed. And also, avoid breaking the bubbles into pieces, otherwise you're having a hard time to remove it.
The necessary preparations when removing air bubbles from the compass bowl are the following. Firstly, we need to have the knowledge and experience on how to remove the air bubbles inside the compass bowl. Secondly, we need to prepare the proper materials, which are the magnetic compass fluid, a syringe, and a wrench. And lastly, we need to perform the organized and the proper procedures step by step in removing air bubbles from the compass bowl.
The easiest step in removing the bubbles inside the magnetic compass is placing the magnetic compass properly to make sure that before we remove the volt of or the gateway to fill the liquid inside the magnetic compass, and to make sure that there's no leakage when removing the volt.
Hi, good day. The difficulties in removing air bubbles in the compass is you need someone to help and to hold a fuel attached to inject. It's because it needs to be placed perfectly so that the bubble inside will come up and float in the center of the hole and fill it easily.
Question number 4. If you can make the procedure simpler, how? In my opinion, I can make it easier or simpler to remove it if there's something to help me or assist me by doing that specific work. It also makes it easier if I will put it in standing position so that I can fill in the compass fluid easier by using syringe. And most of all, it is so much simpler if I have all the tools like for opening the bolt, syringe, and many more.
Hello everyone, this is the process on how to remove the bubbles in the magnetic compass. First, you can prepare a tools that you can use. Example of screwdriver, syringe needle, distilled water with alcohol, and certain types of solution. Make sure you know how to use it. That's all.